Washington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kenton County, northern Campbell County, southeastern Hamilton County, and southwestern Ohio until 11:15 p.m. At 10:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Park Hills, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Covington, Norwood, Erlanger, Fort Thomas, Newport, Cheviot, Fort Mitchell, Villa Hills, Highland Heights, Milford, Taylor Mill, Bellevue, Fort Wright, Dayton, Ludlow, South, Crescent Springs, Crestview Hills, and Park Hills. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile marker 0 and 7. Interstate 74 in Ohio near mile marker 19. Interstate 75 in Kentucky between mile markers 185 and 191. Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 5. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.